What could be better than 5 acres? Well, how about 10? Let's take a closer look here at 138 Minugh Road on the east side of Jimboomba. Enjoying an elevated aspect set well back from this no-through road, this is your opportunity to grab a huge piece of land in a growth area and preserve your quality of living for years to come as block sizes continue to plummet all around you. The local shops are reached within 5 minutes from this prime location here on the east side of Jimboomba, making it very convenient for local schools, including Emmaus College, and of course all the shops and sporting facilities that this superb area has to offer. Move-in condition is the best way to describe this comfortable family home, which offers open-plan living with a particularly appealing kitchen featuring marble benchtops and high-quality Fisher & Paykel appliances throughout, including a double-drawer dishwasher and a superb induction cooktop, while the walk-in pantry offers heaps of space for all the essentials. Personally, I just love this engineered stone sink, a rare and very expensive option. Polished Tassie oak timber flooring flows throughout the living area, complemented perfectly by vaulted ceilings overhead, while quality carpets can be found in all the bedrooms with double robes to the master and bedroom 2. The study or bedroom 3 gives you the option of providing your own choice of freestanding robe. The front porch here offers the ideal place to kick back and relax with a cold beer while you look out over just part of your 10 acres, some of which is cleared, so it's your choice as to what you do with the rest. The point being, it's all yours, and there really ain't no substitute for a large parcel of land because it gives you options in years to come. You'll find a powered 9x7 shed out here too, which comes with 2 remote controlled doors for added convenience, and like the house, it's well presented as you might expect. It also has its own water tank, in this case 22,500 litres, while the house benefits from a 33,000 litre aquaplate tank. The options here are numerous. Enjoy this space, peace and tranquility, well away from any neighbours, or start fencing it off into paddocks for the horses. Maybe you want a second dwelling, or perhaps shed and garage space is more important. There's plenty of space, so there are plenty of options. So there you go, 10 acres just minutes from town with a neat and tidy place to call home. Can you hear that? That, folks, is about as noisy as it's going to get. My name's Steve Hodson from Elders Real Estate. Thanks for watching.